everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video we're going to be unbagging my Sephora play bag for November 2019. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video anytime during watching it, you can just hit that like button as well. And as we go along, if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I really appreciate all of those things. So, the first thing I noticed when I opened the box was that there is no Sephora Play Points. There's no bonus points this month. They always have that little card on it. I don't have any laying here because I usually use them, but there's no bonus points this month. That stinks. Anyway, it says the Stay In and Playbook. There is a crossword puzzle that you can do. Then there's also a word search and a spot the difference. So a bunch of little puzzles that you can do. I always love the word searches. That's my favorite. I'm always like really good at those. Anyway, then it also has all of the products on the card here showing, you know, what's in the bag this month. I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to try to pull the perfume out, which I think is this one. We're just going to put that back inside. But I did find the perfume. Every month they do put like a bonus item. It's typically a perfume. Every once in a while it'll be like a shampoo and conditioner foil pack or something like that, some hair product, but it's most of the time a perfume. I don't wear perfumes. I'm very sensitive to perfumes in particular. I can usually get away with like a body spray, but a perfume and I usually don't get along. So this is from, look at the card here, Atelier Cologne. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but it is what it is. The Pacific Lime. This fresh citrus scent features cooling eucalyptus, transforming your home into a beachy oasis. And it says the top note is lime, the middle note is coconut, and the base note is eucalyptus. So I'm going to put this in a little box behind me. My husband is a teacher. After I collect several like little perfume samples, he'll take them into school and leave them in the teacher's lounge. All right, we're going to go ahead in, and I'm going to pull the thing that fell out when I pulled the perfume out. This is a very, very tiny, looks like a Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Yes. It is a rose gold color, so it's pretty. I don't know if you guys could see that or not, but this is from Artist Couture, and it is super tiny. This is 1.2 grams or 0.04 ounces. It's the Diamond Glow Powder in Yes. Look like you've achieved total inner peace with a glow-inducing loose powder in an iridescent light pink shade. How to use. Create a subtle sheen or a high beam gleam just by brushing on layers. You don't even have to stick to the cheekbones. Use it to add shimmer to your eyes, lips, and body too. That is a tiny perfume, or not perfume, tiny highlighter. Now granted, this is probably enough highlighter to last you for, or at least me, like 3 years, but I don't ever use the same highlighter. I use all different highlighters, but still, nonetheless, this is a super teeny tiny highlighter. Like it's the size of a quarter, just for reference. All right, next item. Let's pull this out. This is from Kiehl's. It's the Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. So, it smells good. It's a yellow cream, actually. It looks like it's a gel formula, not like a cream. Smells good, though. So this is the Kiehl's Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. You deserve just because flowers to match an equally soothing calendula flower extract packed water cream. It's not even a description. And I just dropped it, but that's not even a description. Meet the ingredients. The calendula flower is in the daisy family, and the highest concentrate of its extract, plus hundreds of micronized petals, are what make this cream so comforting. Back into the bag. I like the bag color this month. It's a nice purple shade. All right, so I'm actually excited to give this a try. I've been taking a look at this several times, and I've never picked it up because it's super expensive. Let's see if it has a scent to it. It just smells like fresh, and that's probably not enough information. I apologize, but this is from Lancome. It is the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. Says, give your skin a little TLC with a serum that smooths and evens skin tone while keeping it hydrated with bifidius extract. How to use. Massage a pea-size amount onto clean, dry skin before moisturizer in the morning and at night. And this is 0.27 fluid ounces or 8 milliliters. All right, back into the bag. Let's pull this out right here, which I'm actually kind of happy to actually get this. This is from Diva Curl. It's the Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. And this actually has 1.5 fluid ounces, so that's a decent size. It's a green cream. It smells really good. But that is what it looks like, if it'll focus. Okay. And this says it's the Diva Curl Melt into Moisture Matcha Butter Conditioning Mask. Wrap your strands in hydrating matcha butter and almond oil for shiny, nurtured curls that aren't weighed down. I'm going to have to give that a try. How to use. For a quick moisture burst. That lid doesn't shut. The lid actually won't stay shut. That stinks. For a quick moisture boost, excuse me, I said burst, massage into clean, wet hair and rinse out after 5 to 15 minutes. For major hydration, wrap conditioned strands in a cap and rinse out the next day. That's interesting. All right, the last item in here is from Clinique, and it's actually a decent size, I think. It looks like a decent size. It's really, really tiny. It says made in Belgium. It doesn't look like it has an amount on here, but okay. This is an almost lipstick in Black Honey. What is almost lipstick? So it's almost like a lip gloss or a balm. There it is on the back of my hand, like a tinted balm almost. Oh, I just got some on my nose. Tell you what, sometimes I wonder about myself. It has no scent to it. So this is the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. Add a slight wash of universally flattering color with this plum tinted lip balm meets lipstick. So it is almost like a tinted balm. How to use. Just like your favorite sweater, this lipstick shade goes with anything. Its low maintenance, balm-like texture means you can simply swipe on and go. I mean, it's pretty. I expected it almost to have a scent to it, and it does not. So, but it's a pretty shade. I've gotten like the Black Honey liner and mascara before, and like I bought it because Graveyard Girl was like, oh, it's my favorite mascara of all time, and I wasn't really like blown away by it. I don't know. All right, what do we get? We got the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. The really tiny little Diamond Glow Powder in Yas from Artist Couture. The Kiehl's Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. So it's a nice little moisturizer. Did I tell you what size this was? 0.25 fluid ounces. The Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate, which is a serum. And then the hair, whoops, I'm dropping everything today. The Melt into Moisture Conditioning Mask. So, yeah. All right, so I paid $10 for this bag, and that would be about $2 per product, right? I think it's still $10. This is still $10, right? Yeah, I mean, I can see that. I can see that. I'm not unhappy with this bag, but I'm not like impressed either. Does that make sense? It's not a terrible bag. It's not. I've had worse bags. In fact, I don't think I've gotten a couple of Artist Couture highlighters before. I'm not sure that I have the shade Yas. This is sealed. This might actually end up being given away to one of you guys. It is sealed inside, so even though I did open the lid, it is, like I said, sealed. I'm excited to give the serum a try. I'm interested to give the moisturizer a try as well. It appears to be a gel moisturizer. And it does have a nice scent to it, so I am excited to give that a try. And I am actually excited to give the Diva Curl a try as well. I did buy a little gift set from Diva Curl, but I have not given it a try yet. Bought it a little while ago. And I'm really annoyed that the lid won't stay shut. Like, it just won't stay shut. Every time I pick it up, it just like pops open. That is annoying to me. There you go. There's my Sephora Play unboxing for November 2019. If you liked it, thumbs up down below, please. If you haven't already, I would appreciate if you would subscribe. I am going to be doing a lot of giveaways here in a couple of weeks for Christmas time, for the holidays. I haven't decided quite yet. I'm thinking about doing like the 12 days of Christmas, a giveaway every day for 12 days. So if that would interest you, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you can get alerted when I am uploading those videos. They are going to be coming very, very soon. I want to get back to you guys. A lot of it, if you've been here with me for a while, you know that I continually say things that I'm not going to use, I'm putting in a giveaway drawer. My drawer over there is packed full, and I would love to give a lot of it away to you guys. So I'm thinking about doing the 12 days of Christmas. I think it's the 12 days of Christmas, right? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me any comments in the comment section down below. If you haven't checked out my online boutique yet, it is Niminis.com. The link's in the description bar down below if you'd like to check it out. I would appreciate it. We've got some really cute stuff on there. Really, really warm stuff. If you're in any cold weather and you want to see some really warm stuff, check out Niminis.com. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!